you've been doing some live virtual events out there, workshops, maybe masterclasses, webinars, live and challenges, and things are not going exactly how you thought they should go. Or maybe you haven't tried them yet and you don't even know where to start. Well, don't fret because I'm here to help you. Stick around because I'm going to give you on this video the 5 elements that you have to have a profitable live virtual event. If you are new here, my name is Simone Palarico Ross. I am a marketing coach and a mindset mentor. And I've been doing things online for over a decade now. Marketing and helping other people market themselves. And one thing that I've learned throughout all my years of working online is that it's really, really important that you do not use outdated strategies. And my friend, online strategies go outdated really fast, right? So nowadays, what's really working is to use a tool such as live virtual events. Okay, I call live virtual events for everything: webinars, workshops, master classes, challenges, whatever you want to call it. But there are some reasons why live virtual events are really effective. But one of the reasons is that there is so much noise out there, right? Do you feel that? 1 minute we are on Facebook, the next we are on Instagram, the next we're on TikTok. Really fast, and 1 hour goes by and you don't remember where you started. Well, this is happening to everybody, and it's happening to your prospects as well. So you need to have a place where you can gather them and try to help them shut down from all the distractions and just listen to you, right? So you can educate them on what they need and maybe let them know. Actually, you're going to let them know, but maybe have them decide to work with you on your program. And as a coach and a consultant, people really want to know who they are dealing with before they hire them, right? And live virtual events are awesome to build that relationship. Now, here's the thing. There's a right way of doing it, right? It's so important to understand that it's not only turning on the camera, turn on the lights, and boom, let's go. That's how a lot of people are doing things, or sometimes they really spend and invest a lot of time on the content, but there are so many other elements before, during, and after an event that are not being used. And maybe that's the reason that you're not getting, a high converting event. So I want to understand that it goes beyond really having the light and the nice camera and the fancy mic. There is a lot of work that goes before, during, and after. Now, in a nutshell, I'm going to give you 5 main elements that you need in place to have a profitable virtual event. Are you ready? Write this down. 1, a registration system. Yes. How will people confirm that they want to be in your event, right? And how are you going to get their info? So you make sure that they show up. You need to have a system for that, and a system that with time it's automated, so you don't really have to be checking on everybody how things are going, right? Number 2, a connection system, because you're gonna have to build that know, like, and trust factor, right? How are you gonna do that? You need to really do that even before the event. So create a system so they can create that relationship again with you, right? Number 3, a presentation system. So important for you to educate them on the value that you're going to give to them. But here's the thing, don't over teach. Super important. That's one of the biggest mistakes that people make on events. And they actually don't have a system in their presentation that is going to motivate people to want to work with them. You have to have that, my friend. Now, the fourth key element you need to have there is a sales system. Of course, you're giving them something. They need to be dying to know how to work with you. Yes, if you have a sales system that is well crafted, you're going to make them comfortable to receive your offer at the moment you make the offer. And also, you're going to feel comfortable. You're not going to feel pushy or salesy, right? Because you already have that sales system in place. Now, the fifth main element you need to have, I'm going to say this and you're going to say, oh, I knew that, but you need to have, okay, is a follow-up system. Now, people say the fortune is in the follow-up. Hello, the fortune is in the immediate follow-up. So your event is over, but your work is not over yet, right? I hope you have some consults booked, but there's still people out there that really want to work with you and you just don't have a follow-up system. So boom, bunch of money thrown away and people are not served well. Now, these are 5 key elements. Obviously, there are a lot of steps into it, right? And in the end, what this is all about is really impacting people's lives. As coaches and consultants, that's what we want to do. We know something that other people don't, and then the other people that don't need, they're looking for that, right? But they just cannot find you. So you need to create your systems in order to serve them well, in order for them to understand that you are the person they are going to work with. Because you know what? There will be people that are less qualified than you, less experienced, less knowledgeable, less caring, that are probably selling to those people because they just have a good system. Okay? Now, here's the thing. If you don't have any idea of where to start with your system, or maybe you have some things in place, but really not dialed in yet, sales are not coming up as consistently as you wanted to, I'm going to share my whole blueprint of what I've been using. I really tell you everything I've been using for the last 18 months, where I have my events now make over high 5 figures, really. And I have another one coming up, and I know it's going to, we're always increasing, right? And I can give you free access to it. If you want, I'll give you a free ticket. Just click on the link below. The next event is soon, and I will send you the Zoom link and the worksheet for each day. My event is 7 days. You need to be committed. If you are a coach and consultant that want to enroll clients consistently and grow your business, and you're really committed to do the work, I'm your girl. I might be able to help you. So come first. Come to the event, see how I work, see how my system of teaching is, and also learn, because I'm going to reveal you all my steps, okay? So come, and I really can't wait to see you. If you're ready to grow your business, then join me on the next event. Click on the link below and let's connect. I'm going to connect with you on Facebook. We're going to become friends because I want to know more about your business so I can serve you better in my next event, okay? Join me now, clicking on the link below, and I'll see you soon, my friend. Bye now.